We have seen M.K. Gandhi's appeared for matriculation examination in 1887. He appeared at Ahmedabad Center for the examination, and then he entered in the college, Shamaldas College in Bhavnagar. But he did not entertain himself in that college, and he returned back to his home. The next para he tells us here that we had in Mauji Dave, who was a shrewd and learned Brahman, an old friend and advisor of the family. See here, second reference here. We had in Mauji Dave. Mauji Dave was a very prudent, very polite, loving person. He was a learned person also. He was a learned Brahman and advisor of his family. Who was Mauji Dave? There may be question in the exam also there. So you have to keep in your mind that Mauji Dave was a prudent, learned, wise Brahman, an old friend and advisor of Mahatma Gandhi's family. When Mahatma Gandhi was at the college, he had kept up his connection with the family even after my father's death. See here. After M.K. Gandhi's father's death, Mauji Dave took care of M.K. Gandhi's family, and he was I think like a guardian, like a caretaker. He advises to the family. So he daily visited to his home, and he happened to visit us during my vacation. In the vacation period, Mauji Dave visited to M.K. Gandhi's home, and while talking to each other, while talking to elder person and Gandhiji's mother, he advised that his about the study of M.K. Gandhi. In the conversation with his with my mother and elder brother, he inquired about my studies, and learning that I was at Shamaldas College, he said, the times are changed, and none of you can expect to succeed to your father's gadi without having had a proper education. See here. While he came home, while Madhavji Dave came home to Gandhi's house at that time, he talked to his mother and also his elder brother, and he learned all the situation, about the education of M.K. Gandhi while he inquired there, and as a caretaker advised that without taking any education, without taking any proper education, no one should succeed in the life. Now, as this boy is still pursuing his studies, you should all look to him to keep the Gadi. It will take him 4 or 5 years to get his BA degree. For completing BA degree, this boy, means Mr. Gandhi, should spend 4 or 5 years for getting BA degree, which will at best qualify him for a 60 rupees post, not for a diwanship also. So this is very real situation. If he completed BA degree, that he will get 60 rupees only for diwanship. Diwanship, name of the post. And he next added that if, like my son, he went in for law, it would take him still longer, by which time there would be a host of lawyers aspiring for a diwan's post. Mauji Dave's son went for the law degree and he studied law degree. So, like the same way, he wants to take Gandhi admission to the law. See here, this is the. It would take him still longer, by which time there would be host of lawyers aspiring for a diwan's post. My son Keval Ram says it is very easy to become a barrister. So Mauji Dave says that his son's name was Mr. Keval Ram, and he would far send him to England for becoming barrister. In 3 years' time, he will return. Mauji Dave tells us here to Mr. Gandhi that Keval Ram studying barrister degree for 3 years, and expenses will not exceed 4 or 5,000 rupees. At that time, for completing barrister degree in the foreign country, the expenses would be only 4 or 5,000 rupees. Think that of barrister who has just come back from England. So becoming barrister or taking the Diwan post, compare here. So becoming barrister is very, I think, respectful according to Mauji Dave. And so he guides here also how stylishly he lives. As a barrister, Mr. Gandhi would live very stylish life, very reputed life also, according to Mauji Dave. and he could get the diwanship for the king. I would strongly advise you to send Mohandas to England this very year. And so he advised Mauji Dave, advised Gandhiji's mother and brother for sending Gandhiji to England for becoming barrister, for taking barrister degree. He will give Keval, and Keval Ram has numerous friends in England. So he will give notes to introduction to them. Mohandas will have an easy time of it there. So Keval Ram's Mauji Dave's son Keval Ram has many friends in England, and he will help Gandhiji in England while he was getting degree barrister in England. Joshiji, that is how we used to call old Mauji Dave. Turned to me with complete assurance. Mauji Dave means he called Joshiji. Turned to Gandhi and asked Mr. Gandhi, would you not rather go to England than study here? Would you not rather go to England than study here? Nothing could have been more welcome to me. I was fighting shy of my difficult studies. Mr. Gandhi was a very shy person in the beginning, in his childhood also, and when he was in the college, he was very shy, and so I jumped at the proposal and said that Gandhiji was not only shy also, but he was very difficult in his studies also. He was very raw, he says himself that. He told us in the last paragraph. He was very shy, and he was problematic condition in his study also. So he jumped at the proposal. He accepted going to England, the proposal by Mauji Dave or Mr. called Joshiji. He accepted immediately the proposal for going to England. Said that sooner I was sent the better. It was no easy business to pass examinations quickly. Passing barristers, particular first year, second year, and third year. So, passing the particular examinations is not easy. Could I not be sent to qualify for the medical profession? So he thought that I could not be sent to qualify for the medical profession. So Gandhi was thinking about himself, that because he was a shy person first in the beginning, and the study in India in Shamal Das college is also very difficult problem for them also. So he accepted the proposal. Today we stop here.